Let's take it to the floor show because the markets are in the green. And could the software sector eventually do the same when investors realize that some of these names are high quality but at a discount? Joining me now, BK Asset Management founder Boris Schlossberg. Boris, let's call them AI resilient. I want to get to the software names in just a second, but what do you make of this bull and bear bashing all day long?
You mean in the markets?
Yeah.
I think we're actually, after last week, coming to a realization that we're in a Goldilocks situation because employment numbers were much, much better. Inflation was muted. And I think if you keep that scenario going forward, the economy continues to grow. It's not impossible to kind of imagine an economy of 3.5% growth GDP, less than 3% inflation. That should be very, very positive for a lot of stocks.
Well, you look at the 5-day picture because last week was the worst week for the three majors since November.
Right.
I mean, a lot was going on, and quite frankly, nothing was really going on. Because you think about these AI headlines that scare people into thinking that entire sectors will be rendered obsolete.
Yeah,
it's a little ridiculous.
I think you have to take that with a barrel of salt because nothing changes in a day, especially with big software firms. For example, CRM, which we just talked about, it got destroyed, but it holds the key to basically every single Salesforce in the country. It owns all. It has, I think, the biggest enterprise install of all the softwares. People are just not going to throw it out. In fact, it's actually moving forward. It's going to allow itself to be customized with all these AI agents. I think all of these software companies are going to co-opt AI into a much more interesting forward revenue generation.
And folks, when you are deciding, because it does take some courage to buy when there is a slide like this. When you're deciding on a name like CRM, which is Salesforce, Customer Relations Management, that's what the ticker is that. Folks, this company's not going away, right? And on top of it, you look at the forward PE, the price to earnings ratio, 15.
Dirt cheap. Yeah, it's dirt cheap on its relative basis. And also, you know, I have a strategy, the kind of like half and half Solomonic strategy where you buy a little bit, sell a little bit. So, you know, buy 100, sell 2 puts against it, let the stock come to you. This way, you're really not committing all your capital at this price and you're buying them at good prices. Let the stock come to you.
Okay, so you also like CrowdStrike, Palantir.
Yeah, those are all platform-like software companies for the AI age.
So you think they are AI resilient?
Yeah, very much so. I mean, Palantir is basically AI for the enterprise and for the governments, right? They basically, their whole platform is very, very sticky. Once you install it and all those AI agents work on the Palantir platform, it's really impossible to come off of it. So it's very, very useful. Governments are spending billions of dollars trying to put Palantir to use. Think about it. You know, AI is actually the ultimate bureaucrat, right? It knows all the rules. It knows how to fill out all the forms. It knows how to do it perfectly, and it will do it without complaint. So if you think about it, all of these software...
And without a salary.
And without a salary. So all these software firms are going to co-opt, I think, a lot of these AI skills.
Sure, why not? And you look at JP Morgan put out a note today, in essence saying that this is the sell-off in software is completely overdone, and that these names are trading at a discount. And specifically, they say the market is pricing in the worst-case AI disruption scenario that is unlikely to materialize.
Yeah, they're assuming everybody's going to rip it out of the enterprise. That just doesn't happen. I think what's going to happen is all of those software plays in the enterprise are going to adopt and adjust. They're going to open themselves up and let people customize themselves for the space, but that's all going to create revenue for them.
Boris, what do you hate? What don't you like that you won't touch right now?
What do I hate? That's a tough question. I came in with all the love here today. I don't know. You know, some industrials probably. You know what? The autos probably. The autos are never good, right? They never. They really have a hard time getting out.
Well,
and
they're dealing with the tariff situation.
They've been dead money forever, and I think they're going to stay that way.
And really quickly, we are getting 2 major pieces of economic data on Friday, and it's going to be the first print of fourth quarter GDP.
Yeah.
Rear view mirror looking.
Right.
But the last print for third quarter was very good.
I think it's really good. I think people are underestimating the underlying growth in the economy, the enormous amount of productivity that's been shed. We've shed so many government jobs and been able to grow. That's a great sign for the U.S. economy.
Boris Schlossberg with a good tone today as the Bulls try and battle back the Bears. It's been touch and go all day long. Thanks so much.
Thank you.